you invade into my forest?
We are so sorry, old wizard.
Oh. You are sorry, right? Don't you know that once you enter you shall go with a curse or a spell?
Oh really, what can you do to the princess?
I will start with you, princess.
No. Please.
No, please, and you, prince, I am still coming for you.
No. I'm begging you, please.
Candel branca da cabra.
Nunu, I am growing.
Now, princess, you may leave, for you shall become useless and become a giant.
Ha ha. What can you do to a prince like me?
What?
Ha ha ha.
No no no.
Now, prince, time
Thanks
for
so
you.
much, old wizard.
What? You must be joking.
Candelera CDWDJJ
No please, I will be humble.
Moral lesson.
Oh, really? Then you shall become small and never grow again,
Do not
and
be
even an
proud.
ant will look like a giant to you.
Nunu.
That is the only moral lesson and also the most important in the story.
Well, actually, it was
The
just
end.
a test between pride and humbleness.